Today's audio note concerns about kitchen layout and planning. We will dig deep into the definition, meaning, terms, and other various aspects of kitchen layout and plan. Kitchen is a part of an overall plan of food and beverage department. A proper worked out concept of entire F&B area and its various department is vital for smooth interaction of employee, efficient workflow, optimum productivity, conducive working environment, proper allocation of space in a logical manner, selecting the right type of equipment, and sufficient lighting system. Kitchen must be designed so that they can be easily managed. Executive must have easy access to the area under their control and needs to have a good visibility in the area that have to be supervised. Therefore, kitchen design and layout mechanism consist of following points. 1. Product flow, workspace, working sections, access to ancillary areas, equipment, food preparation area, design and layout of cooking area, which consists of setting up workstations, island group, wall setting, and a new shape of kitchen, setting of equipments, kitchen environment, and ventilations. What is a product flow then? Each sections should be subdivided into high risk and contaminated sections. High risk food is that which, during processing, is likely to be easily contaminated. Contaminated food is that which is contaminated on arrival before processing, for example, unprepared vegetables, raw meat. Backtracking or crossover of materials and product must be avoided. What is workspace then? Well, approximately 15 square feet is required per staff for movement. That's the workspace. Too little space can cause staff to work in close proximity to stove, steamers, cutting blades, mixer, and so on, thus causing accidents. A space of 4.5 feet from equipment is desirable, and passes must be of adequate size to enable staff to move safely. The working area must be suitable, lit and ventilated with extractor fans to move heat, fumes, and smells. Let's go into working sections. Well, the size and style of menu and ability of staff will determine the number of sections and layout that is necessary. A straight line layout would be suitable for a snack bar, let's say, while an island layout would be more suitable for a hotel restaurant. Access to ancillary areas. A good receiving area needs to be designed for easy receipt of supplies with nearby storage facility, suitably suited for distribution of food to preparations and production area. Hygiene must be considered so that kitchen equipment can be clean and all used equipments from the dining area can be cleared, cleaned, and stored. Still room or pantry facilities may also be required. Talking about the equipments, the type, amount, and size of equipment will depend on type of menu being provided. Not only should the equipment be suitably seated, but working weight is very important to enable the equipment to be used without excess fatigue. Kitchen equipment manufacturers and gas and electricity suppliers can provide details of equipment relating to output and size. When a kitchen is being planned, standard symbols are used that can be produced on squared paper to provide a skilled design. Hand washing facilities and storage of cleaning equipment should not be omitted. The various preparation processes require different areas depending on what food is involved. For example, in a vegetable preparation area, water from the sink and dot from the vegetables are going to accumulate, and therefore adequate facilities for drainage should be provided. Whatever the process, there are certain basic rules that can be applied that not only makes for easier working conditions but help to ensure the food hygiene regulations are complied with. Food preparation areas. Proper design and layout of preparation area can make a major contribution to good food hygiene. Staff generally respond positive to good working conditions and in their good working environment. Adequate workspace must be provided for dirty and clean process. Vegetable preparation and wash-up areas should be separate from the actual food preparation and service area. The layout must ensure a continuous workflow in one direction in order that crossover of food and any cross-contamination is avoided. The staff should not hamper each other by having to cross each other's path more than is absolutely necessary. Actual worktop areas should be adequate in size for preparation process necessary. Food handler must get all required equipments and utensils close to hand. Must focus on the working and store areas and equipments to be employed. These areas must be designed and based on the specification of the operation. Kitchen must be divided into sections. These must be based on the process. For example, dry area for dry storage, wet area for fish, vegetable, butchery or cold preparations, hot wet area for boiling, poaching, steaming, etc., in which equipments that will include atmospheric steamers, brass pans, pressure steamers, steam jacket broilers, etc. Hot dry areas like for frying, roasting, grilling, equipments needed will include cool zone fryer, salamander, pressure fryer, induction cooker, brass pans, etc. Dirty areas for refuse, pot wash area, plate wash, equipments will needed includes compactor, dishwasher, refuse storage units, glass washer, pot washing machine. Finally, design and layout of cooking area. The design and layout of cooking area is determined also by purpose and function. It mostly depends upon type and size of establishment. For example, fast food outlets, hotel, restaurants, specialty restaurants, outdoor caterings, cafeteria. Type and method of customer service, self-service, takeaway service, table service. Types of menu offered, extent of menu, stack of high tea, full meal like breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, etc. So this is the end of first part of kitchen layout and designing chapter. We will go for next audio note in next video. Thank you.